Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorials from my channel. In this tutorials, we are going to learn how to integrate with integration techniques. In this first video, we are going to look through some basic integration formulas as you see there. So you know that integral of the constant is a times x. If we integrate it respect to x, or we can use linearity functions, like we can separate the functions and we can integrate them one by one. Also, we can take out the constant out of integral. Also, we can use power rule, which is m to the power of u is equal to m plus 1 to the power of u divided by m plus 1. And 1 over u is equal to ln u, and a u to the power of a. So a and u, if we integrate with respect to u, we can use a u to the power of a divided by l a. Now I am going to show you some examples about these formulas, and we will going to solve them. Let's start with some easy example, like 6 to the power of x. So we can use our power function, power rule, or techniques, which is x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Here, you know that n is equal to 6, so we can integrate it as x 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1, so x 7 divided by 7, and we can write plus c. Or first we can do something like this for x to the power of 7. So we can take out 4 out of integral. So x 7 to the power of x dx is equal to. So again, we can use our power. So like that will be x 7 plus 1 divided by 7 plus 1. 4 times x 8 to the power of x divided by 8, which is x to the power of 8 divided by 2. Then let's do another example, like 3x squared times 2x cubed minus 1 dx. So it can be seen as a little bit complex, but it is very easy if we multiply this, like it will be 6x5 minus 3x squared dx. Then we can use our linearity function, like 6x5 minus integral 3x squared, whatever we have respect to x. So we can integrate this alone. So we can take out this constant out of integral 6, like 6 x 5 to the power of x dx. So x to the power of 5 to the power of x is equal to x 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus 1. So x 6 divided by 6. So we should multiply it by 6. So it will be x over 6. And also same way, 3x squared dx, we can take out 3. So let's do x squared dx. Again, 3 times, we just x squared plus x 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So 3 times x cubed divided by 3. So it will be x cubed. So then that will be x 6 minus x cubed. And let's look at another example. Let's do something like this. 3x cubed plus 2x divided by x dx. That will be, like, we can write this as a 3x cubed divided by x plus 2x divided by x dx. So that's gonna be integral 3x squared plus 2 So again, we can write them separately. 3x squared dx plus 2 dx. So that's we can take our 3 out of integral. So it will be x squared dx plus 2 dx. So we know that it's 3x cubed divided by 3 plus, we know that we can take again 2 out of integral. So it will be 1 dx. So it's will by x. So that will be 2x. So that will be x cubed plus 2x. Now let's do another example. If something is like under the square root dx, so from the radical to exponent rule, we know that we can write it as a x 3 divided by 2 dx. Again, we can use our power rule. So that will be x 3 divided by 2 plus 1, 3 divided by 2 plus 1. So x 5 over 2, that's 5, 2. So let's do last example about this basic integration formulas. That's right, 5 times x to the power of 2. So we can take out 5 out of integral, so 2x dx. So you know that we have formula like a to the power of x is equal to a to the power of x divided by ln a. So here we have like is equal to 2. So from this we can write 2 to power of x divided by ln 2. And we have like 5 times 2 to the power x ln 2. Of course, we should write c for every integral after solving it. But do not forget to add c, which is constant. So that's all for basic integration formulas. See you soon in next video of this tutorial, basic integration formula for trigonometric functions. Like, share, and subscribe my channel if you haven't done. See you in next videos.